Assalamualaikum dear students, subject math class 3rd. Lesson number 5 multiplication. Today we are going to start new chapter number 5 multiplication. You have already learned about multiplication in the last year. Okay, so now start the lesson multiplication. First I will tell you what is mean by multiplication. Multiplication simply means repeated additions. What is repeated addition? Okay. Multiplication is one of the 4 elementary mathematical operation of arithmetic, with the other ones being addition, subtraction and division and multiplication. In this lesson, I teach you about multiplication. Okay, एडिशन आप पढ़ चुके हो, सब्सट्रैक्शन आपको हो चुका है, एंड इस लेसन में हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन पढ़ेंगे. ओके, द सिंबल ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज 2 क्रॉस लाइन. ओके, सो नाउ स्टार्ट. Multiplication means repeated addition. Multiplication is when you take one number and add it together a number of times. When you take one number and add it together number of times, it's called as multiplication. Okay. Example. The children made a bunch of flowers to give the Ion teacher's day. Okay. So Sonu, Salma, Jahan and Nandu each brought 2 flowers and Sonu tied them together. How many children are there? 5 children. How many? 5 children. 5 children हैं and each children के पास कितने flowers हैं? 2 flowers. Okay. Each brought 2 flowers. So how many flowers are there in it all together? तो हमें ये काउंट करना है कि इन सभी के पास कितने flowers हैं. ओके, 2 flowers each from 5. हर एक के पास कितने flowers हैं? 2. And total children are 5. Okay, means taking 2 5 times and adding them together. That is 2 from Sonu, 2 flowers from Sonu, 2 flowers from Salma, 2 flowers from Jahan and 2 from Nandu. Okay, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 10. Okay. Instead of adding 2 5 times, we can multiply it by 5. अगर हम 2 को 5 टाइम्स ऐड कर रहे हैं, प्लस कर रहे हैं, तो हम इसको 2 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करके भी इसका आंसर क्या कर सकते हैं? निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज इट a less time to find the answer. If we can multiply it by 5, it takes less time to find answer. Okay, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is written as 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Okay, the symbol of multiplication is 2 cross line. Okay, 2 times 5 और इसे हम कैसे पढ़ते हैं? 2 times 5 या 2 into 5. Okay, so 10 is called the product of 2 and 5. The result of multiplication operation is called a product. कोई भी अगर हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर रहे हैं तो उसका जो भी रिजल्ट निकलेगा, जो भी आंसर रहेगा, हम उसे क्या कहेंगे? प्रोडक्ट. सो 10 इज कॉल्ड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2 and 5. The result of multiplication operation is called product. Next examples. Take out your book and open page number 24. There are 4 examples, but I will tell you only one example and other examples are your homework. Okay? Page number 24. Sonu, 4 lemon in each row and 2 such rows. 4 lemon है एक रो में and कितने rows है इसे? How many rows are? 2 rows. 2 is 4 is 8 lemon. 2 is 4 is taking 4 two times and adding them. Okay? 2 rows है and each rows में 4 lemon है. So 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. बट सिंपली हम इसे मल्टीप्लाई करके भी आंसर को हम हासिल कर सकते हैं, गेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो 4 into 2. हाउ मेनी रोज? 2 rows and each rows में हाउ मेनी lemons? 4 lemons. So 4 into 2 या 4 times 2 is equals to 8. 4 2s are 8. So first of all, for multiplication you need to know table. You need to table very well. So आपको टेबल 10 तक लर्न करना है प्लस आपको राइट करना है. टेबल 1 to 10 लर्न एंड राइट. ओके, नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज, look at the picture. If each of them has 3 balls, Tony has 3 balls, Sonu has 3 balls, Nandu has 3 balls and Salma has 3 balls. Each of them has 3 balls. So how many balls all together? अगर इनमें से सभी के पास 3 balls हैं तो टोटल कितने balls हुए? So first 3 balls from Tony, 3 from Sonu, 3 from Nandu and 3 from Salma. So after added, total ball is 12. How many balls? 12. But this type of process takes time. So if we can multiply it, it takes a less time to find the answer. So how many children are there? 4 and each has 3 balls. So 4 into 3 is equals to 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 का टेबल अगर आप 3 तक रीड करते हो तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 12. 4 3s are 12. Okay, an addition of 3 taken 4 times. अगर हम 3 को 4 टाइम एडिशन कर रहे हैं इसका, तो 4 times 3, that is 4 into 3 is equals to 12. 4 3s are 12. Next example. In the same way, fill in the boxes in the example below. सेम वे में जो हमने जो एग्जाम्पल देखी है उसी तरह ये एग्जाम्पल क्या करना है, सॉल्व करना है. ओके. 6 mangoes in each basket. How many mangoes in each basket? 6 mangoes. 6 mangoes in each basket. How many mangoes in 3 baskets? यहाँ पे कितने baskets दिए हुए हैं? 3 baskets. So each has 6 and total basket is 3. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 means 3 times 6. How many times 6 है यहाँ पे? 1 2 3. 3 times 6. 3 times 6. In other words, 6 into 3. 6 into 3. 6 के टेबल पढ़ना है. 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12 and 6 3 जा 18. 6 3 जा 18. If you add 6 3 times, answer will get 18. But simply अगर आप 6 का टेबल 3 टाइम्स करते हो तो आपका आंसर निकलता है 18. Next example is children are standing in 7 groups of 3 children in each line. How many children are there all together? Children are standing in 7 groups. कितने ग्रुप्स में चिल्ड्रन खड़े हैं? 7 ग्रुप्स में. 7 groups of 3 children. 7 groups बने हैं. In each group में 3 children हैं. So how many children are all together? ये हमें आंसर निकालना है. ओके. So 7 groups means 7 times 3 है ना. 7 times 3 3 7 कितना होता है? अगर आप 7 प्लस को प्लस कर रहे हैं तो 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals to 21. Okay. 3 7 21. 21. So 7 times 3 7 times 3 हो या 3 7. Answer will get 21. In other words 3 into 7. How many groups are there? 7. And each group has 3 children. So 3 divided by 7 is 7 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18 and 3 7s are 21. Okay. Next is your homework. Subject Math, lesson number 5, multiplication. Look at the picture and prepare an example like one given above. Page number 25. Open the page number 25. 25 पर आपको जो एग्जाम्पल दी हुई है, जो अभी हमने एक्सप्लेन किए, उस टाइप से आपको क्या करना है, इसकी आपको एग्जाम्पल बनाना है. Look at the picture and prepare an example like the one given above. पेज नंबर 25 पर इसके ऊपर जो आपको एग्जाम्पल दी हुई है वो आपको बनाना है, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में बनाना है. ओके, थैंक यू.